Hey crafty friends, this is Mary and you're watching Cardz TV. We're going to make a couple of quick Halloween cards today. I know it's late, Halloween will be here this weekend, but I needed to make just a few quick cards. So I found this sticker sheet in my stash. This is all I had left of a set called Hocus Pocus from Echo Park. And it's got some nice heavyweight cardstock stickers on it. So I'm going to pull some of these off and use them on my cards. Now for the first card, I've gone ahead, I've got my white card base. This is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches when folded. I've got a black mat, which is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And then this was in my stash. I think this came from a Die Cuts with a View mat stack. But it's just little spider webs, and here and there it's got little eyes peeking through. I'm assuming it's spiders. And this is cut at 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. I'm going to grab my glue and get all this attached to the front of my card. Next, I wanted to add this orange border to break up all of that black and white. And this is 1 inch by 4 inches. We'll go ahead and get that put on the front. I went ahead and found some stickers I wanted to use on that sticker sheet. This is a little spider web, and it's got Trick or Treat in orange, green, and purple. There's a tiny little spider right there. And then here's another little spider. Now I've put foam tape on the back, and then I used my powder tool to hit all the other sticky parts of the stickers to take that tacky stickiness off. So I didn't want to put them down on just the card flat. I wanted a shape, but I didn't want a rectangle or an oval or a circle or a square. I wanted something a little different. So I went looking in my stash, and I found these kind of wonky triangle dies, and these have stitching on them. So I went ahead and cut one out of black and one out of this orange and white gingham that was also in my stash. I'm going to get these glued together, and then we're going to put them on at an angle on the front of my card, just like that. And I think that'll be a good shape and a good background for my little stickers. So I'll go ahead and get these attached to the front. When I started looking at this spiderweb paper, that same triangle shape is in each one of these little webs. So that really does pull it all together. Now we're going to take the backing off our stickers and get those on the front. And then I think we might add a few little sparkly gems. I've got some black ones I think might look good. Okay. And our little spider, we'll just put him right up here. And I've got these little shiny faceted gems, and I think I'm going to stick just a few tiny ones here and there. And that's going to complete our card. We're going to put just a tiny one right down here. Maybe a medium right there, and another tiny one. And you can stick these anywhere you want. It's just for a little bit of an accent. Okay, and here is the first Halloween card. I think that turned out really cute, and I like the sparkle of those gems on there. For my second Halloween card, I've got another white card base, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 when folded. And once again, I'm going to use a black mat, which is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And then this cute little word paper that's got Halloween, boo, costumes, trick or treat, all that on there. This is 4 by 5 1/4. That's going down next. Then I cut another piece of black cardstock, and this is 1 1/4 by 5 1/4, and I'm going to attach that right over here on the side. So I'll get my glue and get this ready for what comes next. Okay, I found another little sticker I wanted to use. This is the witch's stockings and her little shoes. And I've got it on some foam tape. And once again, I used my powder tool to get rid of the excess stickiness on there. And I wanted to put this on a different kind of shape as well. So I went back to my dies. And guys, if you don't have the shape dies I'm using, you can check your Cricut cartridges, your Silhouette. You may have punches. If you have a Brother Scan and Cut, it also has shapes. So there's lots of places you can find these shapes. But I had this hexagon, stitched hexagon die. So I used it and this cute little orange and white polka dot paper. And I went ahead and stamped Trick or Treat, Smell My Feet. I think that's so cute. I'm going to get this attached flat to the front, just like that. So we'll go ahead and do that. And then we're going to put that witch's legs and feet on here. I think this makes a really cute card. I love that little Trick or Treat, Smell My Feet. We used to say that when we were kids. You know, kids. We get a funny little saying, and we just say it till everybody's sick of it, don't we? Let's take the backing off of here. We'll get this on the front, and I will have 2 quick little Halloween cards just in time. I just made it because Halloween's tomorrow, guys. I really cut this one close. There we go. Didn't that turn out cute? Let's see. I think I might put a few little sparkles on here. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. Let's see. I think we'll put a few up here and one down here. Just like on the last one. We'll use a bigger one. And a small one. And one more small one. That just kind of highlights the little saying. So here are my 2 cute, quick little Halloween cards. I got them done just under the bell. I hope you all have a fun Halloween. Thank you so much for coming by today. And thank you for your very kind prayers and comments. I appreciate them all so very much. I love you all. God bless you all. And I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.